Hello, I'm Crafter Wong. Welcome to the episode of Crafter Wong with Crafter Wong. And in this episode, I'm making Clefable. Unfortunately, there's not going to be any story time this episode because I have way too much work from exams and school projects and stuff that I probably won't be doing those for another week. So there's still time to put your questions and comments down below. All I know is that this is going to be my first topic that I cover. And besides that, I don't have anything else to say. So if you want to build this model with me, visit the first link in the description and download the templates there. Since you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment any questions or topics you want me to talk about in a future video. Besides that, sit back and enjoy. At the end of the day, this model took me about an hour and a half to build. There's only two things I would recommend for building this model. The first thing would be to fold all the creases for the back. I don't know what they're called. The things that look like wings on its back, even though it can't fly, but they look like wings. Make sure you fold all the creases there. Also, use the tail to create a tripod with the legs so the model can stand by itself. Besides that, I got nothing more to say. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment any questions or topics you want me to talk about in future videos. And until next time, bye-bye!